the broken exhaust manifold bolts drilled out and tapped Healy coil for extra strength. Those are the studs that go in. These are studs all the way down, 3/16 for red pitch. So the exhaust ports on a big block Chevy are actually rotated down about 56 degrees. The Pontiac V8 is about 135. 55.6, it's roughly 56 degrees. But it makes it impossible to drill without a mirror. See what you're doing. It's an old school bus mirror I took from my work a couple years back for the driver's rear view mirror to watch the kids, passengers. Be impossible to do without it. See what you're doing. You gotta work in a reverse direction too. It's 180 mirror image, literally. I went out and bought this yesterday, Milwaukee cordless M18 right angle drill. These are for tapping too, but gotta run to Plano, Illinois to get it. Nobody had it local. Reversible, and it's got a clutch, electronic clutch setting built into it too. It's really nice. Works great for tapping threads too, chasing them clean. I'll separate exhaust manifolds and waiting for my rim flex gaskets to come in. I ordered them and should be in tomorrow. Hopefully get them hung on this week and get it quiet.